G'day everybody, it's Shirl from Supertech Electronics, and we're going to show you how to remove a Landcruiser Stereo sound system. Now the tools you need is a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic / metal spudger. We've also got a butter knife just in case we get a few clips that are hard. And let's get started. So the first part we're going to remove today is this plastic cover here that covers the stereo. And if you get your plastic spudger into one corner at the rear of the dash, you can actually release it. It's released by clips. We can just leave that sit there. And we've removed ours, but there will be two 10mm screws in either side. So remove those with your 10mm socket. Now we're going to remove the air vents either side. Now that can be a little tricky. This is why I'm going to use a butter knife, just because I need the strength. There we go. And we'll remove that and we'll just put it to the side. And we'll do the same to the other side. To slip it between the dash and the air vent. And we'll slip that one out too. Okay, that will release the air vents and expose one 10mm slip bolt there and one there, and we'll need to remove those. Okay, now that we've got the bolts out, we're going to remove the plastic piece that sits around the stereo. Now, it is just held in with clips. Okay, so we're going to unplug the hazard light, not the clock. That'll save us having to reset the clock. So just unplug the hazard light, and that can just sit on top of the dash like that. Now that we've got that out, we can take the whole stereo out, and that will come out as one piece. We'll need to unplug some electrical cables at the back. Don't worry too much about not getting them back in the right place. They do only fit in one socket as a rule. And you release them by pushing in the plastic center piece and pushing the plug back. So now that we've got all the electricals disconnected, we can remove the brackets and put them back in the dash for the time being, and send the radio off to Supertech Electronics for repair.